Hello and welcome back to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to understand different text effects in Canva. So I have selected one image here and I have put one text, and that is different text effects in Canva. So just click on here and you will see one option like add a heading, add a subheading. So these are different things. Okay, so let me press Ctrl Z. So we are going to play with text effects. Okay, so you can see here animate position effects. Click here and you will get this option. So suppose you want like shadow effects, you can go with this way. You just click here, and if you want more shadow, like if you want to put in shadow black color, so just go ahead, select it, and you will get black color shadow. Okay, again you just go to styles, and if you want more, you just drag in this way and offset. Okay, so in this way you can manage the style. Now if you want to put none, you just go ahead and put it none. So suppose you want to go with this outline, simple, you just drag it in this way, and see, if you are not feeling good with the design, you can change your design in a different way. So in this way you can play with the shadow. Okay, so I hope you got something in this lesson. So meet you in the next lesson. For now, bye bye.